In this video, I will walk you through how to use the retirement spending insight within the Voyant system. As you can see in my example case here, we have a client who is doing fairly well in meeting their retirement spending goals, but is scheduled to start running out of money around age 88. So I would like to see what their actual spending capacity is in retirement so that I can adjust my recommendations. I'm going to go to my Insights tab here and then select Retirement Spending. The Retirement Spending Insight is designed to show clients the maximum they could spend once in retirement to avoid shortfall and spend down their available liquid assets to near zero by the end of the plan. This is exclusive of any illiquid assets in the plan, for example, properties or any accounts that you have set withdrawal limits or ring-fenced, and those withdrawal limits will continue to be honored in this simulation. So I'm going to select Get Started. The software has done a binary solve to find the maximum spending capacity. Now keep in mind that this is going to be in today's dollars, so we will see this number inflated based on the inflation rate you have set in your plan setting. To see what this is doing behind the scenes, I'm going to go to Details, Year View, and then go to My Expenses. As you can see in the pre-retirement years, these expenses are itemized, including taxes, any contributions or living expenses. Once we move into the retirement year, the software in the simulation has replaced those expenses with this spending analysis expense, and this is giving you maximum amount of spending in that year to avoid shortfall within the plan. It will continue to inflate that number. Your slider bar to see what that number will inflate to by the end of the plan. I hope that this was helpful. If you have any more questions, feel free to reach out to us by clicking the name of your client, clicking Request Support, and sending us a message. Thank you for listening.